Hi guys, welcome to ARIVU channel. If this video is useful to you, like, share and subscribe. This is the Java series Part 33. So now let's discuss about inheritance. Inheritance is one of the pillars of OOPS. What is OOPS? OOPS is a methodology to design a software. Why we need OOPS? It simplifies the software development and maintenance. That's why we need OOPS. Okay. So already we have discussed about the encapsulation, that is one of the pillars. Now let's discuss about the inheritance. This is also one of the pillars of OOPS. Okay. So what is inheritance? It's a mechanism in which one class acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent class. A new class inherits all the properties and behaviors from the older class. So this type of mechanism is called the inheritance. Okay, and inheritance represents the ECA relationship, that is also known as parent-child relationship. Okay, and what is subclass? Subclass is a class which inherits the other class. Okay, it is also called a derived class, extended class or child class. What is superclass? Superclass is the class where a subclass inherits. So this superclass is also known as parent class and base class. What is the syntax of inheritance? Here class is the keyword and the name of the subclass extends keyword and then the name of the superclass. Okay, in between the curly braces we have to write the statements. We are making a new class, okay, from an existing class. So the extends meaning is to increase the functionality. Got it? So what are the types of inheritance in Java language? On the basis of class, we have three types only. Okay, single, multi-level and hierarchical. Okay, and other two types of inheritance like a multiple and hybrid inheritance is supported through interface only. We will discuss later about interface. Now let's discuss only about single inheritance. Here this is the structure of the single inheritance. Class B is the new class and class A is the old class. Okay, that is class A is the base class or parent class or superclass. All are same. Okay, class B, this is the derived class or subclass child class. All are same. Okay, so this class B inherits the properties and behaviors from class A. Let's see this example. Here I have created two classes, parent class and this is also one class. Okay, so inside this class only I have the main method. So my file name must be this class name only. And inside this parent class I have the method display parent. What is the function of this method? This is used to print the I am a parent class on my console. Okay, and here I have used the inheritance. That is one of the pillars of OOPS concept. So now only we have discussed about the inheritance mechanism. What is it? The child class inherits the properties and behaviors from the parent class. Here the child class is this one. Parent class is this one. Okay, inside this parent I have a method display parent. Okay, so now I want to use this method inside this class. How is it possible? With the help of the inheritance that is possible. Isn't it? There is no need to write the same method inside this class again. Okay, so if we implement the inheritance concept, there is no need to write this display parent method again inside this class. We can use the inheritance concept instead of writing the same code inside this class. So if I write like this means I can use all the methods which are present inside this parent class. Inside this class. Okay, so what is the usage of inheritance? The code reusability. Okay, there is no need to write the same method inside this class if we implement the inheritance concept in my program. Got it? Here inside the child class I have created the method display child. Okay, and what is the role of this method? This method is used to print the I am a child class on my console. Inside this main method I have created the object for this class. That is, this is the name of the child class. Okay, and this is what the default constructor. In the last session we have discussed about the constructor. Okay, so this constructor will be invoked during the creation of the object. Okay, and here I have used the object of this child class only, but I can call the parent class method. How is it possible? With the help of inheritance, it's possible. Okay, so here I have implemented the inheritance concept. That's why we can call the parent class method using the child class object. Actually, this object is for this child class. Okay, with the help of inheritance only, we can access the parent class method using the child class object. Okay, and this is the method for child class. So I can access both parent class methods and the child class methods. Okay, so this is the call statement. So the control jumps from the 19th line to here. That is the 4th line. Okay, so this statement will be printed on our console. And again the control jumps from the 7th line to 20th line. Here we have the method call statement. So after encounter this line, the control jumps from the 20th line to 12th line. So this method is present inside the child class only. So we can call. Okay, so this is like normal. Okay, but this is happened with the help of what? The inheritance concept. Okay, with the help of inheritance only we can call this method using the child class object. Okay, and this statement will be printed on our console. Again the control jumps from the 15th line to the 21st line. Okay, now let me execute this one. This is the output for this statement. So we got this one. Okay, and this is the output for this statement. Okay, so this method is from the parent class and this method is from the child class. Okay, there is no need to create two objects for two classes. Okay, I just create a single object to call the child class as well as the parent class methods. Okay, this is the advantage of inheritance. So this type of structure is called the single inheritance because here we have a single child class and single parent class. That's why this type is the single inheritance. Okay. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.